Hey, this is Tyler Bundy with eXp Realty of Omaha. I'm doing a quick video for you so you know how to sign your documents electronically through dotLoop when you're purchasing a home. So I'm doing this on an Android. The same steps will be followed on an iPad or an iPhone or even on your computer. The format might be a little bit different, but the concept and the steps will still be the same. So you'll go here to your email, and in your email, you're going to see an email either from the agent that you're working with, and all you're going to have to do is select that email. And what you'll see here is you'll see the name of the person that is sending you the email and who you're working with. So you'll simply just open that email and click View Documents. Once you select View Documents, it's going to take you into the actual purchase agreement of what you're signing. You'll get another introduction from the agent you're working with, myself or another agent on our team, and you'll select Get Started. Now it's going to jump right into the first initial. You have the ability on any device to scroll out and look and read the documents and make sure everything is filled out correctly. Now the blue is going to represent the things that we're adding in, just so we can see those differences. As you can see, my legal description is test this out. Okay, but you'll also be able to see what items are being selected for appliances, and you'll be able to review and see all of that and ask any questions. So going back down to the bottom, it took us to this first box on the left. Now you can click any one of these boxes, and it's going to go to this page to ask you if you want to adopt this signature. You'll simply select yes, and it's going to keep going through all of these initials. It's going to take you to each spot to initial and sign automatically, and you can zoom out or just scroll up to review the purchase agreement to make sure it's filled out correctly, or that you just understand of what you're purchasing, which we recommend. Now if I go back, I'm just going to go back to the last one just so you know. Now, we selected this one. If I went and I actually selected this one, it will not give me that option because I selected the other one. So you don't have to worry about selecting which one. Once you select one, it will be done for you. Now, it's going to go up here to your signature spot. It should be underneath your name. If it is not directly underneath your name, this is not your information and it's your spouse's information like it is over here, that is okay. Go ahead and still sign, and it'll take you to the next one. Next spot is going to be the name for the deed. It's highlighted and it's grayed out. That means only you can select that. You're going to put your name here and your spouse's name. And you're going to want to make sure, if you want a middle initial to be in there, you're going to want to make sure you put that there. If not, it doesn't matter. Then we'll go down to the next signature or initial spot. And see here, it's giving you the option to select any one. So we'll select that one. Actually, it's not. So you got to select the other one that's designated for you. Once you're done, a checkbox is going to pop up somewhere on your screen. I have two on my phone, one on the bottom here and one on the top. And you'll just select that you're done. And that is all. You do not have to do anything else from this point. You can simply exit onto your phone. And that is all we got, guys. Hopefully that's helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your agent and they'll make sure they get you going.